Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Chargebee to Slack. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new subscription is made in Chargebee, it will send a message via Slack. Now Chargebee is an online subscription building software and Slack is an awesome tool to send messages. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Chargebee to Slack. As you may know this, there is some kind of integration between Chargebee and Slack, but this integration is kind of limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Chargebee and Slack. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Login. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down. And here in the Connect, click on Access Now. Then click on Create Workflow. A dialog box appears in front of you. I'm going to give a name to this workflow. Chargebee to Slack. Then click on Create. When you click on Create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as Chargebee. Because we want to send the data from Chargebee, that is why. So in the choose method, let's make it as new subscription. Now new subscription is a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new subscription is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like new invoice, new subscription instant, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I want to send the data when a new subscription is made in Chargebee. So click this, then click on Connect with Chargebee. Now, in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: API key, password, and the site name. Now, we can ignore the password, we don't have to fill it, but we have to fill the API key and the site name. So to get the API key, let's go to our Chargebee. Here at the left, you will find the option called as Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Configure Chargebee. Click this. Then scroll down and you will find the option called as API Keys and Webhook. Here you will find the API keys. Click this. Then you will find the blue button, Add API Key. We are going to add an API key. So there are 3 options: Publishable Key, Full Access Key, and Read-Only Key. I am interested in Full Access Key. Click this. I'm going to give the API key a name. Let's say Megan. So the API key name is Megan. Okay. So just click on Create. So the API key called as Megan has been created. So simply copy this. This is the key and paste it here. Now comes the site name. The site name is basically this, up to test. Okay. Pabbly Connect 001-test. I'm copying this and I have pasted it here. Okay, then click on Save. Okay, so when you click on Save, it basically means that you have integrated Chargebee to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a subscription is made in Chargebee, Pabbly Connect is ready to accept the data. So let's create a dummy customer or dummy subscription in Chargebee. So I'm going to create a subscription, a dummy subscription. So click on Create Subscription. So the name of the person who is going to subscribe to this subscription is, let's say, Donald. The last name is Ross. The company name is Trump Towers. Okay, Trump Towers. The email is realdonald123 @gmail.com, something random that's coming to my head, that's all. We want a dummy person, that's all. Phone number is 9131323915. Local is not important. Plan name, yes, we are going with growth plan, and the price is $89. The start date is 12 November. The billing cycle, let's keep it as 3. The first name, okay, since we have to enter the first name again, so just remove all of this. The name is again Donald. Simply we are copying this and pasting it here. For some reason we have autofilled all the details, that is wrong. The last name is Ross. We are copying this. We have pasted it here. Then remove the email. We have copied this. Then we are going to copy the email too. I know this is tiresome, but we have to do it. The billing address should be same. The billing details should be same that we had mentioned before. The company is Trump Towers. And last not least, the phone number. Okay, this is the phone number. We have copied this and we have pasted it here. The address line 1 is 810 GH Villa, Random Road. Let's keep it as Random Street, that would do. House. Okay. The city is Paris. The zip code is 75001. Country is France. Okay, so basically all the details has been filled. Click on create subscription. Just click on confirm. Okay, a subscription has been made by this person called as Donald Rose, and he lives in Trump Towers, and this is his email address, and this is the phone number. So let's make sure that Pabbly Connect receives this data. So just click on this button, save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been received. So this is the data. So this is the currency code, that is United States dollar. This is the first name, that is Donald. This is the last name, and this is the email. And this is the phone number, and this is the last address line, and this is the address line 3. This is Paris, that is city. This is the country, this is the zip code. Okay, so now we are ready to sync all of this data to Slack. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Slack. Now in the choose method, we want to choose an action. So the action would be send channel message without the image. Okay. Then click on connect with Slack. In the new credentials, just click on connect with Slack. Okay, so it is asking for a permission. So let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. So on basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Now in the channel name, it is showing random. When we expand this, it is showing general, Pabbly Connect, spreadsheet formula, and so on. So let me show you my channels. So these are the channels I have. Okay, let me expand this. So these are the channels: extra channel, general, new customer, Pabbly, product, random. Basically, Pabbly Connect has received all this information. Okay, since it is now integrated with Slack. So basically, all the data that is present here is also present here. Okay, so at present I am interested in sending the data to this channel. We have a channel called as random channel. Okay, so I am going to send the data to this channel called as random. Okay, I have selected it. So the message type is plain, and we are going to type in the message. So the message would be something like this: hey there, Mr. Then we are going to map in the name. So this button is called as the mapping button. Click this. So we are going to type in the name, that is Donald. Then we are going to enter the last name. It was Ross, I think. Yes, this is the last name. Hey there, Mr. Donald Ross. Thank you for the purchase. Your details will be sent at this email. So let's type in the email. So realdonald@gmail.com. Okay, and you will receive the product sorry, the product, receive the product at your address. So let's type in the address. So the address is 810 GH Villa, and let's type in the postal code, that is 75001. Okay, that would do. Okay, so the bot name, so the message has been filled. So coming to the bot name, we can type the bot name as Pabbly, or if you want, you can just type in your name. The bot icon is not necessary. Okay, just click on save and send test request. So the API response is showing that the data has been sent. So let's have a look at this message. Okay, yes. So let's scroll down. Yes, we have got the message. Hey there, Mr. Donald Rose. Thank you for the purchase. Your details will be sent at this email address. This is the email address, and you will receive the product at your address, and this is the postal code. Okay, so the presence of this message in Slack shows that we have successfully integrated Chargebee to Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a subscription is made in Chargebee, it will be reflected via message in Slack. Okay, but to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy subscription in Chargebee. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm going back to Pabbly, and I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Chargebee to Pabbly Connect, then you integrated Pabbly to Slack. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Chargebee and Slack. Okay, so let's make one more dummy subscription in Chargebee. So let's create a subscription. This time the first name is Ivanka, the last name is let's go with Flint, not Trump, Flint. Okay, the company name is Teddy Holdings, something random that's coming to my head, that's all. So Ivanka Flowers 123@gmail.com. That's the email, and the phone number is 9131323916. That would do. The plan name, let's go with the scale plan. She's applying for a big plan, so PO number not really important. Start date is 12. The billing cycle is 10. That's huge. So we are basically going to copy all the details again. I know it's tiresome, but we have to do it. So I'm copying this. Then I have pasted it here. So the last name is Flint. I've copied this. I've pasted it here. The company name is Teddy Holding. Copied this. I know it's kind of mundane, but we have to do it. We want the proper details, right? That is why. So we have copied the email. So this is the email we have entered into the blank, and the phone number, simply copied this, and then we have pasted it here. Now in the address line, let's say she lives in Trump Towers, so it's in 123 New York. The address line city is near Big Apple. Okay, the city is New York. Let's go with the 75001. That would do. Country is United States. Then click on create a subscription. Okay, just click on confirm. Okay, so a person called as Ivanka with last name Flint and the email address ivankaflowers1232@gmail.com has made a purchase, had made a subscription. So let's see whether we have a Slack message related to this. So let's refresh this. Let's scroll down. Okay, so as you can see, the message hasn't arrived yet. The reason is because Chargebee actually takes a significant amount of time to send the data. So let's wait for 5 or 6 minutes. After that, I will update the result. Okay. Yes, after 5-6 minutes, we have got the message. Hey there, Mr. 𝗪𝗵𝘆 thank you for the purchase. Your details will be sent to this email address and you will receive the product at this address. Okay. Since we have mentioned the postal code as same, so it is returning the postal code, the same numbers. Okay. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So this means anytime a new subscription is made in Chargebee, it will be reflected as a message in Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.